Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with an invitation to get paid to watch, share, and give away free trials for our global entertainment video app. Now, if you happen to be watching this video on the internet, on YouTube someplace, scroll down into the description of this video and you're going to find the link where you can then access this page here, because you really need to get on this page. I'm going to take you on a real quick tour on what I'm going to talk about today. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is request your free trial. So I'm going to come back here, we're going to click through to request your free trial. I'm going to show you how it works. Then I'm going to talk about becoming a distributor, where you can make unlimited $100 commissions. Now I'm going to talk about all the little perks that you get as a distributor right here. I'm going to invite you to join our ClickBank group for training, support, and discussion. And then down here is a program that you can join for free, where you can possibly make $100 a day sharing videos on Facebook. And this program down here allows you to make money watching videos. Both of them you can join for free. Here's some resources. Right now, my only resource happens to be YouTube video marketing strategies, and I will get into that in detail in just a few minutes. Okay, it's time to request your free trial. You can call 412-436-3355, or if you happen to be on this page, or you can actually type this into your browser, HarveySilverFox.com. Now, there's no commercials, no ads for these this live streaming. So for these movies and TV shows. So that's what I like about this. I don't have to watch commercials. I am so tired of Joe Namath trying to convince me to get into a Medicare product or program. I could just puke. All right. So let's click on my name here, HarveySilverFox.com. It's going to take you to the page where you will request your free trial. Now, it's very important that you do watch this video right here. My excellent job walking you through exactly what you're going to get, how it works, how the app works, all the channels you're going to get. So make sure that you do spend some time watching this video. It's not that long. So there's several packages to choose from. Now, your free trial will be the premium package here. So there's probably close to 60,000 channels that you can watch in the next 48 hours. So work your way down here. All you're going to do is put your name here and your email address here. We have everything that you need to set up and to program your app, so you can get in there and watch some live streaming. You can watch movies. You can binge watch. They have a 24-hour or 24/7 binge watching episodes of TV shows back there. And of course, they have series. They have series where you can just pick and choose the series that you want. That's some of the top ranked TV shows out there. There again, you watch this video up here and it'll be explained in detail. Now work your way down here. Click on this image, or you can click here to sign up to become a distributor. Right up here, join now. There again, watch this video that Marty did. Explains there again, explains in detail how to become a distributor and what it's all about. Well, by the way, you do not need to be a subscriber. You can just become a distributor. I strongly suggest that you become a subscriber, though, because it's rather hard to explain to somebody, talk to somebody about how the live entertainment app works. So strongly suggest you become a subscriber, but not necessary. As a qualified distributor, you're going to have several marketing tools such as this Sizzle Call Number here, and this happens to be mine. Go ahead and call it to see how it works. It's going to be programmed specifically to you, so your number is going to be unique. And there again, in your back office, as a distributor, you're going to have all kinds of tools and ideas of where to advertise your Sizzle Call Number. So here are a few more perks for the distributors. It's crypto friendly, meaning that those that are in countries like India and Pakistan and some of those countries that do not accept credit cards, you can get paid in cryptocurrency. Wholesale pricing, where you can set your own pricing for your customers. Remember, you're an independent distributor. There's an autoresponder follow-up sequence for your prospects. A downline mailer to email your referrals daily, which is pretty neat. A downline builder where you can replace our links with your links. That'll be back in your back office. Pre-made banners, solo ads, text ads, and lead capture pages. You will have templates back there for business cards and postcards and tear-offs. So you're going to have a pre-programmed Sizzle Call phone number just for you. And there's a flyer, and at the bottom of the flyer, you're going to be able to print your Sizzle Call phone number on the tear-offs. Now, the tear-offs in this flyer is a good place to place those happen to be at laundromats, because remember, those people are rather bored waiting for their laundry to be done, so they go over to the board over there and they see they can get a free trial of this entertainment app. All they do is just rip off that phone number, your Sizzle Call phone number, and call. Everything's done automatically for you. When they call your Sizzle Call phone number, everything's registered to you. An email is sent out where these prospects can automatically take that free trial, all coded to you. Everything is automated just for you. Tools back there to help build your business in your back office. Of course, your own Sizzle Call Number, which I talked about. Member-to-member payment system with your payment links. So to clarify, the prospect does not pay us. That new subscriber who wants to get a subscription does not pay us directly. They're going to pay you because you're an independent distributor. Okay, it's all set up, all ready to go, completely automated so that you get paid, whether it's in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, whether it's a credit card, whether it's PayPal, Cash App, whatever you and however you want to take their money. You just program your payment options into the platform and they pay you automatically. Pretty neat, huh? So in other words, you don't have to wait for us to pay you. You get paid immediately. Like I say, what's great about this is you can market this globally because of the payment options. Every possible payment option that people throughout the whole world can pay you and get their entertainment app. Here's a Facebook group for training, support, and discussion. Of course, it's free to join. So let's click through and take a look here. If you need any help, if you would like to discuss some of the movies and TV shows that you've been watching, binge watching, if you need a little bit of training, of course, right here, in fact, we have a training video right here ready to go. You can come here and ask questions or go through some of our training videos right here on the right-hand side. There again, we invite you every day to let us know what you're watching with your video app by posting a comment below. Now here's a couple little bonus programs for you to join. You can make a potential of $100 a day sharing videos on Facebook. It's a great lead generating system if you happen to be working any other money making opportunities also. But this is really, really slick. I mean, you get lots of attention, like the funny cat videos. I mean, I can go on and on and on. People are just drawn to it. And of course, when they watch the video, they're all built in. Everything's automated, all ready to go. It's turnkey. All you have to do is take your link back there and post it on Facebook, and voila, it'll go viral. Now here's a program that you can watch videos and get paid to watch videos. Like I said, this is one of the several resources I'm going to be adding back here. YouTube video marketing. You know what's great about YouTube video marketing? It's virtually free. It's free advertising. So what we do is we have a piece of software. In fact, I'm going to use it for this video I'm making now, that will allow you to make 2 to 3 videos a day using that software. Of course, click here or on the image above up here to take the free trial. I've been making videos for years. I probably have close to going on 2,000 videos out there. You know what's great about these videos? Is it's like playing Monopoly. When I have so many videos out there keyworded for a variety of different things, and when somebody does land on one of my videos and they watch the video and the description of my videos, of course I have all my affiliate links, my referral links, and they just sit out there working for me 24/7. So the more videos you make, the more park places, the more boardwalks that you're going to have out there just working for you 24/7. Now this software automatically produces the video for you, even the voice if you wish. Now I know some of you are video shy. Well, I can't make a video, I can't. Gang, 75% of my 6-figure income comes from my YouTube marketing videos. If you want to get to that 6-figure level income, you need to start producing videos. It doesn't cost you anything other for the software. It doesn't cost you nothing. And like I say, 2 to 3 videos a day. Think about this. After a year, you can have over 1,000 videos making you money 24/7. The software, you can use the software free for, I think, 7 days. Yeah, I think it's 7 days. And after 30 days, you can have 30, 60, 90 videos working for you. Okay? And after a year, you can have thousands like I have. So use the software to make your own movies and TV shows, binge watching videos, the review videos, or a video like I'm making right now, with your distributor referral links in your videos like I do. Every day I try to make 2 to 3 videos. Every day. Now, when your video is ready that you make, you're welcome to post it in the Video App Income Support Training and Discussion Facebook group by clicking here. And of course, you've been there already. But remember, your posts in this Facebook group must be relevant to what we're doing here. We're talking about making money by giving away 48-hour free trials. So if your video is relevant to what we're doing here, I will let you post it in here. And then our team will go out there and share it throughout the internet, other Facebook groups and pages, etc., etc. And we'll help you out to get your video out there that will have your distributor referral link in it. So join me as a distributor and get paid to binge watch movies and TV shows with me, Harvey the Silver Fox. With that said, I'll be waiting for you in this Facebook group, ready to help you make money with this giving away free 48-hour trials for this entertainment app. Until then, let's go make some money.